How's everybody doing on this Tuesday? Long time no see. This video is for the motorcycle group build put on by Cliff over at GI Mechanical Scale, whatever. He knows who the hell he is. GI Mechanic model builder bottle. So anyway, Cliff, you know who the hell you are, and everybody knows who you are. But anyway, he is a GI. He was in the Army, but he's doing a motorcycle build. It starts January, which it's already started. I told him I was going to be a part of it, so this is what I'm going to build. It's the one scale V-twin custom wild chopper, and it sort of looks like that's kind of his thing right there, I think. But anyway, let's see what we got in here. It is the instructions. Sorry, I ain't got everything put back up yet, but I'm getting there. I think it's gonna be a good build. I'm looking forward to it. Don't know exactly what color I'm gonna go with. Oh, we got some decals right there. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, them things look nice. Okay, put them back in there where they belong. You got wires and screws. Tree. Chrome. It's all there. Fat Bob tank and your fenders, and I don't know, it looks like part of the seat. Wheels, rotors, oh, there's the seat, so that must have been going to the tank. More chrome. The Springer front end. Breather. More chrome. Look like a good kit here, huh? Primary cover, transmission cover, pipes, exhausts, shocks, backrest, swing arm? I don't know. Glass. I don't know if that's supposed to be a battery. I guess it is. I don't know. There's the custom seat if I want to go that way. The tires feel real good. Thought they said done that for a minute. That's gonna be my entry for the motorcycle group build. Put on by Cliff at GI Mechanical or Mechanic Scale models. I'm looking forward to it. I'm not going to get to it right now, but I will start on it in probably, I don't know, probably next month or a little after. I still got a couple of group builds I got to get done that I sort of just put off on the back burner. One is the Fat Fender Chrome build put on by Rob over there at Timescale Models. And also, see what other build I was doing. See, it's been so long I forgot what the hell I'm doing. But anyway, it's the Unified Scale Auto group build creator. I doubt very seriously I am going to finish that one. I'm sorry, but I don't know. I'm trying to take it nice and slow back in here because I really got burnt out on building so many and trying to keep up with so many. But anyway, I appreciate y'all still sticking with me. And we'll talk to y'all later. And y'all have a good one.